Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweet Peas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this super easy look for Halloween. It's just spiderweb moons. So if you're short on time and you need a quick Halloween mani, this is for you. First off, I'm going to start by applying 2 coats of Butter London's Black Magic from their new glitter peel-off collection, which is wonderful, and be sure to check out that video because if you love glitter polishes but hate removing them, this is totally the answer. So here is 2 coats of Black Magic. Now after Black Magic is dry, I'm going to just grab some white acrylic paint and a fine nail art brush, and I'm going to start the web. I'm going to start by making 3 lines coming down from the cuticle, the first one in the middle of my nail being straight and the other 2 being slanted out towards the edge. Now after that is done, I'm going to start connecting them by some curved lines, which is going to make the completed web look. And that's it. Now it's time to apply your favorite top coat and you are good to go. This Halloween look was super easy, really quick to do, and it takes minimal tools. So if you're in a rush and need a really quick look, this is one for you. That is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this manicure come together, and I absolutely loved it. I feel like it was super easy, and it's pretty fun to have on your nails as well without being like too over the top. Anyway, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.